Prime Shine is pleased to announce the launch of its popular exterior home maintenance service in Nanaimo. This locally owned and operated small business specializes in window cleaning, moss removal, gutter cleaning, pressure washing, and siding cleaning. As a moss removal company, Prime Shine now offers several affordable maintenance programs suitable for homes, offices, as well as strata and property managers. For more information, please visit www.primeshine.ca. Prime Shine utilizes a proven treatment methodology for the removal of moss that combines compressed air with soft brushing to clear away roof moss. In the first step, the technicians brush away the moss by hand. In the next step, the loosened moss and debris are blown out from between the shingles and tiles of the roof. The company also offers preventative treatments to keep moss and other rot-causing organisms from developing. Its moss prevention treatment is applied to the entire roof to terminate the spores and any remaining moss, which will deaden and dry, a process that occurs within 2 weeks of the first rain. To find out more about Prime Shine and its moss removal services, please visit www.primeshine.ca/estimate.